Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to unlock Fight 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 in Hamster Combat. So, in Hamster Combat, unlocking certain features or modes like Fight 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 requires a series of actions including leveling up, completing specific tasks or reaching certain milestones. Here's a comprehensive guide to unlocking Fight 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 mode in the game. The first step will be understand the Fight 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 mode. So, the Fight 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 mode is typically a special event or feature that allows players to engage in high stakes battles or a series of quick fights. This mode might require a specific level of progress or completion of certain in-game tasks to unlock. So, complete tutorials or initial missions. Before unlocking special modes, ensure that you have completed the game's tutorial or early missions to get familiar with the mechanics and progression system. In many games, features like Fight 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 are unlocked once you have reached a specific level or rank in the game. So focus on leveling up your hamster and completing battles to reach this milestone. Now, step 3 will be completing specific tasks or challenges. So, look for any in-game challenges or quests that mention unlocking the Fight 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 mode. These challenges may require you to win a certain number of battles or achieve specific goals. Certain milestones such as reaching a specific hamster level, completing a set number of matches, or gathering resources might unlock the mode. Now, some events or limited time activities offer exclusive access to modes like Fight Fight Fight, so keep an eye on special events in the game to participate when the mode is temporarily available. Often, special modes are unlocked by completing event-specific missions. If Fight 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 is a part of limited time event, make sure to participate and complete the required objectives to unlock it. Now, step 5 will be ensuring that you have the right hamsters. Some modes or features may require you to have a specific hamster in your lineup, so make sure you have unlocked any necessary hamsters through progression or in-game purchases. Now, ensure your hamsters are strong enough to handle the challenges in Fight Fight Fight. Upgrading their stats and abilities can improve your chances of success in this mode. Step 6 will be accessing the mode once unlocked. So, after completing the necessary tasks, go to the main menu or the battle section of the game where you can access the Fight 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 mode. Once the mode is unlocked, select it from the available options and begin battling. So, I also have some tips for unlocking this mode. Stay updated on game updates. Game developers often release new content or events, so stay updated on the latest updates as this mode could be tied to a seasonal event or patch. Now, second tip will be checking social media or forums. Players often share tips or news about unlocking special features, so check community forums or the game's social media pages for additional insights. Now, third tip will be using boosters or power-ups. Boosters or power-ups can make your battles more efficient, helping you complete necessary tasks to unlock the mode more quickly. By following these steps, you can successfully unlock and enjoy the Fight 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 mode in Hamster Combat. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.